Okay, so you might be wondering, why am I pushing a little kid's cart, shopping cart? Well, because my son was in my room, and this is my morning. And some of you might be looking at me and thinking, or looking at this video and thinking, well, he should be picking it up himself. And you know what? That is true for a child that is cognitively 100% at the moment, but he's not. And his capacity has been worn out today. And so I need him right now to learn how to calm down after a disappointment. So that's my priority right now. So I decided to take his shopping cart and pick up all the junk all over my floor. And you know what? That's okay. One step at a time. As parents, it's one step at a time. And I just wanted to encourage any mom out there whose child isn't doing exactly what they're supposed to be doing according to everybody else, and recognize everything is a skill for a lot of kids. Every child has a different capacity, and that's okay. And we work on one thing at a time. So if I need to teach my child how to clean up his room, I mean, look at this. This is what he did. Daddy came home from being out of town this week, and he poured Daddy's stuff all over the floor in a moment of actually curiosity. Look at this, right? Look at this. This is just real. However, he was asleep when I got home last night. And so I was going to have him do it this morning. However, he's a little mentally not available. And so I needed him to slow his roll and learn to calm down because he was disappointed about something this morning. And so instead of pushing him right now because he is supposed to clean up his own toys, he can't do that right now because he's working really hard on learning how to control himself. So I thought this was a little conversation piece, right? Isn't this crazy? Like, how can one child do this? Believe me, it was even worse earlier. All right, friends, have a great day.